Namaste, friends. Today, in just minutes, let's unlock one of the most powerful forces in the world of money: compound interest. In The Richest Man in Babylon, the wise Arkad teaches, "Make thy gold multiply." He compares savings to a flock of sheep that grow because the new lambs also produce more lambs. That beautiful ancient idea is exactly what we call compound interest today. Compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world because it allows your money to grow exponentially over time, not just on what you save, but on the interest your savings earn. It turns small, consistent actions into massive wealth over the years. Whether you are a student, a young professional, or planning for retirement, understanding compound interest can change your financial future forever. So, what exactly is compound interest? It's interest on interest. When you save or invest money, you earn interest on your original amount called the principal. But unlike simple interest, compound interest also pays you interest on the interest you already earned. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow and grows faster and faster. The longer it rolls, the bigger it becomes. Here's a simple comparison. With simple interest, your money grows in a straight line, slow and steady. With compound interest, your money grows in a curve, slowly at first, then dramatically faster as time passes. The real magic happens when you give it enough time. Time is the most important ingredient in the compound interest recipe. Let me share some powerful real-life examples. Suppose you invest rupees 10,000 today. At 8% per annum, a reasonable return from balanced investments, after 10 years, it would be rupees 21,589. After 20 years, it would be rupees 46,610. After 30 years, it would be rupees 100,627. Now at a stronger long-term return of 12%, which is possible through disciplined equity investments like SIPs in India, after 10 years, it would be rupees 31,058. After 20 years, it would be rupees 96,663. After 30 years, it would be 2,99,599. See how the growth accelerates. In the last 10 years alone, it more than triples in the 12% example. That's the power of earning interest on interest. There's a handy tool called the Rule of 72. It tells you approximately how many years it takes for your money to double. Years to double is equal to 72 divided by interest rate percent. At 8%, doubles every 9 years. At 12%, doubles every 6 years. So rupees 1 lakh at 12% becomes rupees 2 lakh in 6 years, 4 lakh in 12 years, 8 lakh in 18 years, and so on, even without adding any more money. Now let's talk about something even more practical for most of us: systematic investment plans or SIPs, which are perfect for harnessing compound interest in India. Imagine you invest just rupees 5,000 every month at 12% annual return. After 20 years, it would be approximately rupees 50 lakh. After 30 years, it would be approximately 1.76 crore. That's the beauty of starting early and staying consistent. The earlier you begin, the more time compound interest has to work its magic. A person who starts investing at age 25 will build far more wealth than someone who starts at age 45, even if the later starter puts in the same monthly amount. The extra years of compounding make all the difference. How can you apply compound interest in your life right now? Here are 5 Babylon-style practical steps. Pay yourself first. Automatically save or invest at least 10 to 20% of your income before spending anything else. Make it a habit, just like Arkad taught. Start as early as possible. Even small amounts matter. A 21-year-old investing rupees 2,000 a month can achieve what a 35-year-old needs to invest much more to match. Choose the right investments. Let your money grow safely and steadily. Options like equity mutual funds via SIPs, PPF, or index funds have historically delivered good long-term returns in India. Be patient and consistent. Don't withdraw early. Let the snowball keep rolling. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes that risk your principal. Reinvest your earnings, whether it's interest, dividends, or returns. Keep them working inside your investment so they can compound further. Remember, compound interest rewards discipline and punishes delay. There's also an important warning. Compound interest works both ways. Just as it grows your savings beautifully, it can grow your debts dangerously if you're not careful, especially credit card debt or high-interest loans. That's why controlling expenses and avoiding bad debt is so important. Live below your means, as the Babylonians advised. The good news is, you don't need to be rich to benefit from compound interest. You only need to start, stay consistent, and give it time. Small, regular investments combined with patience can create financial freedom for you and your loved ones. So what is the timeless essence of compound interest? It is the quiet, patient force that turns ordinary savings into extraordinary wealth. It rewards those who understand its laws and follow them consistently, just as Arkad, the richest man in Babylon, taught thousands of years ago. Start today. Open an SIP account. Set up an automatic transfer for even a small amount. Improve your skills so you can earn and invest more over time. As time passes, you will watch your money grow while you sleep, working for you, multiplying for you, securing your future. Thank you for joining this exploration of the magic of compound interest. May you harness this powerful force wisely and build lasting prosperity for yourself and your loved ones. Remember, a part of all you earn is yours to keep, and when you let it compound, it becomes the foundation of true financial freedom. Let your gold multiply. Namaste.